Hi guys, many students are asking us the classes in regional mediums. Like Hindi students are asking us to take class in Hindi, Telugu students are asking to take us class in Telugu, and even Tamil students are asking us to take in the Tamil medium. I straightaway said no to this. And even in one of my previous video, I mentioned why listening to the classes in English is most beneficial. And I have received some multiple comments, multiple arguments on this, but let me clarify you why listening to the classes in English is most important and how it will help you a lot. Listen till the end and then make a comment. I know you're hurried to reply me. Wait, don't reply, react. Otherwise, don't react, respond. So many of us are very hesitant, very happy to react. But listen till the end what I'm trying to tell you, just a 2 minutes video. You know, see, most of you, 95%, not even 95, 99% of us, we are writing the exam in English medium, correct? The CA exams we are going to write in English. But majority of the students, what I'm noticing is they are listening to the classes in the regional medium. The classes are taken in the regional medium like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. Okay, they're listening to in the regional medium, and they're listening. The classes appears very wonderful. You can grasp the content. You can understand the concept so easily. All that is fine. But after they open the book, especially for subjects like audit, financial reporting, where India and all is there. CA final, in CA inter accounting standards is there, where and all theory is involved, especially. There some matter has to be read. There the student is facing a lots of struggle. Like some students might immediately say, sir, many students listen in Hindi medium, sir. Like for example, not said they listen in Hindi, they get so many all India ranks. I'm not talking about the rank result. I'm talking about the process. You only know the result, but look at the process of difficult, the difficult process which they followed. You know, the students who listen the classes in English especially, they will have an immediate connection to the terminology used in the subject. When they subsequently, after listening to the class, when they open subsequently the book once again to revise, they will have no, newness. Like many students will feel the connection, the subject is very new. In the sense, the terminology they will feel very new. Like the terms and all appears for them something different. The terminology appears different for them. Like what they understand. Are very simple audit I understood, but when I'm reading, I'm not able to digest it. Like this kind of feeling, many students get this. When they're reading only, they will understand what they understood and what is there in the book, nowhere connected. And what is happening because of this? They once again read the subject with lots of difficulty, with lots of tiring, and they repeat it multiple times so that they get some connection to the subject. After getting connection to the terminology, actual subject, then they revise it. This process is making this process is becoming difficult and time consuming for many students, and many are not realizing this. That is why you must listen to the class in English. Like today, every institute across India, almost every famous institute, they are giving classes in both the versions. Lucky, you have regional medium version, you have English medium also. I recommend you to take English medium. If a faculty is taking the class in English, you don't have to once again do struggle. You don't have to take a struggle to connect with the subject once again, because the subject itself is discussed in English language. Now, immediately you might say, sir, if obviously listening to the class in regional language is more better. No, obviously, yeah, that is always best. But look at our national education policy. Mind to the text. Look at our national education policy. Up to 5th standard only, regional medium teaching is permitted. After 5th standard, English medium is asked. Why? Like why government made such a rule? Very simple. The fact is, if because the ultimate subject that you're reading is in English, and when we also discuss it in English, you connect to that subject more stronger and more easy. Retrieval becomes very faster. I just whoever have listened to this, whoever agree with me or disagree with me, you can make a comment on the below. But I wish like I want a proper argument. Just don't simply say me that I'm wrong, you're right. No, it's not about right or wrong. It's about opinion share. So what I am recommending you to take, what I am recommending you is take classes in English medium, because that will make you understand and immediately connected to the subject. See, understanding alone is not sufficient. Yeah, you're writing in English. Writing is also important to qualify. In order to write the best and in order to reduce your efforts at the time of preparation and revision, listening to the classes in English is most important. I know, many Hindi students got all India rank, many Telugu students got all India rank. I'm not denying that. But if you listen to the class in English, your revision time, your preparation time, your efforts and all will reduce substantially. There, the possibility of scoring a rank is much more higher. That's it. Okay, I just want to tell this. That's it. All the very best. Go ahead, do well.